This is Luben Johnson from Luben TV, and in today's video we are in my episode 6 of my street car build. And guys, this is the finishing up level. But first in my channel, please go down in the description and watch episode 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If not, you're gonna be really confusing in this video. I built the homemade bikes from home that gonna look pretty. So if you want to do stuff like that, subscribe to my channel, guys. You're gonna be notified every time I drop a video. Okay guys, today is the finishing our level. I'm gonna finish my street car build, guys. We are almost done. The episode 6 not gonna be long, but what we're gonna be doing in episode 6, guys, look at the switch. I will match on the switch. Come on guys, take a look at this shit, guys. Look at that. Take a look at this. Another switch, this is like a helicopter, like a chopper. Take a look. And then you're gonna press the start up right there. Come on guys, take a look at the switch. Switch in the night mode. I just wanna look at it at the night. Look at this. No, those are the number one from the market. You can get one of those for any shop. And look at the transformer. Take a look at this. That look really good, guys. Like those ones. But what I want to show you guys at homemade, guys, take a look at these food tracks, guys. Those are food match, guys. Take a look. It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. I told you this gonna be one in the world. You're gonna keep your legs right there, guys. Take a look. Imagine you are going on the street, like this bike is a LOB street, and you see someone going with a bike, and he put a foot right there, like that, guys. Hey, look, what are you gonna say? Is that a ghost? Okay, so today we are gonna be doing the seat, and we're gonna be doing the artwork on the bike. I'm gonna write the LUB street right there, and my logo gonna be somewhere there. That's gonna be awesome. And I'm gonna do the exhaust, guys. We're gonna do the exhaust from scratch. And we're gonna do some seat right there. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, and take a look at the exhaust. I just finished. Right now I'm gonna do some painting for the exhaust.
Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open to a new tomorrow, moving with the motion, following the light that sets me
So we are gonna be doing some fun right now. Put on it. Boom, this is the seat. There I got the seat like that. As you can see, I got the seat down. So now we are going to the next level of what are we going to the next level of the artwork. I want to do the artwork so I can put some like the LOB street curb, right? I want to put something like that from the right here, and I have a plate number, a custom plate number that I'm gonna be putting right there, my plate number, like I order but this is getting delay and delay because it's not easy from things like that. But I finally got it done, so today we are gonna put it this way, right? Guys, take a look at this. Okay, this is the LOB Street Cup. The difference, this is the bike that goes by the name The Different. The LOB Street Cup, right? That's me from the company, but when it goes for the bike, it's The Different. You know what? This is the difference between me and haters, guys. That's the number. This is a Nigerian plate license from the custom make, and this is also because I'm different, you know, and that's the difference. You know, haters, whatever you do, they're gonna look at it and say, it's not nice. But when they know you are the one doing it, they know it's nice, but they're gonna go back dandy and they're gonna say something bad. If you got any confusion anywhere by building this bike, please comment down below. I'm gonna leave my number also in the description. I'm gonna leave my email, my Facebook, and my Instagram right there, down there, so you guys can talk to me. I can give you an idea where you're confusing. Anywhere you get confused, I can tell you how to do. Today we are gonna do some testing. We're gonna ride the stuff, guys. I'm gonna put it on the video, so we're gonna cover it up, guys. So I got a job done, guys. So now let's do that.
Everything I touch turn cold. Need no introduction cause they know Brit and Mo, I hit the lotto, my motto. Roll up gelato and throttle a couple models staccato. Who fucking brought up the bottles, I'm gone ham. This ain't even luck, all planned. Y'all know who the fucks I am. Burning bucks, smoke bands. Always been the MO since the start of this, and now I'm on a mission like I'm Artemis. Hey, we gon' turn the crib into a club like Hennessy and Buddha screaming thug life. Get it, baby, you know I'm the plug, right? Fucking got a feeling that it's gonna be a long night. Never an average night, 2-4 hours up in the day, I gotta make it right. 18 of those, I'm in the cave, I gotta make some light, make it hype, even if we break at night. And even if things go left, we gotta make them right. Chillin' with mom, we triple up, they on the double up, triple dub. Came from the basement, we only going up, they loving us. Up in the booth, I'm getting dizzy, but they the cup is up. Toast to my people that's on the come up, and you live with us. Ain't all about the trick of us. Looking at my watch, your spirit bomb, both hands is going up. You going coast to coast with us. See the flows, you flowing, overflowing, yeah, the cup is running over, tidal wave up in the ocean.
So now I'm back for the testing and everything was awesome. Okay guys, so guys, if you wanna build this cup, I wish you best of luck. So you're gonna follow the video up, so I wish you best of luck to build your cup, okay guys. So I'm gonna leave my contact down in the description, so if you got any confusion, guys, you're gonna contact me. I'm sure I'm gonna get back to you and show you where you got difficulties, okay, and I'm gonna tell you everything, guys. So please, guys, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, guys. Subscribe to the channel so that you're gonna have amazing videos like this. This is the Honda Street Cup built. This is the last episode from episode 6, right, guys? This came from episode 1 to 6, so this is the last episode, guys. So if you never watch all that down the first episode, please, you can still go and watch. Still there for you guys. I'm gonna leave that also in the description. Guys, build this bike. Whatever you got some problem, you're gonna call. I'm gonna show you exactly what to do, guys. So today, this is the final episode, and this is the end of the video, guys. So guys, peace.
Stranded in the